Good morning, children. So today we are going into a new topic, which is multiplication. You might have learned tables, right, in your lower standards. For example, 2 tables, 3 tables. So what are these tables? These tables are product of multiplication. What is mean by product? Product means result. Okay, so you are doing a thing, you are doing an action, and the result and the outcome of the job or outcome of your work is what result is, and that is what product is. So now we are going to see what is multiplication. Okay, so multiplication is repeated addition. Repeated addition of numbers. You know, right, you have been doing the same mistakes or same thing again and again. If you are doing it so many times, then you can add them. For example, if you have 5 boxes, okay, and each of the boxes contains some 2 chocolates, okay, so you have 5 boxes and each of that contains 2 chocolates. So now how many chocolates you will be having in total? If you do it in addition, you can do like this: 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So there are 2 plus 2, 2 in your mind, 2 in your finger, 2 after, 3, 4, and then 4 plus 2, 4 in your mind, 2 in your finger, 4 after, 5 and 6. Okay, so again 6 here and plus 2, 6 in your mind, 2 in your finger, 6 after, 7 and 8. Then 8 in your mind, 2 in your finger, 8 after, 9 and 10. So the result is 10. If you see this, you can find it is lengthy, right? You took some time to calculate this. Here, so there is this multiplication which makes it easier, faster to calculate these numbers. For example, see, here you have how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 2's and multiplication is denoted by a cross. So 5 into 2 will give you 10. Okay, this introduces a new method where you will use tables. Okay, for this only you will need to learn tables and you will use the tables in multiplication. Okay, so you know, in multiplication can be used everywhere and anywhere. For example, if you are going to a shop and buying some 5 chocolates and each chocolates cost rupees 2, okay, or 3. So now you are going to a shop and you are going to buy 5 chocolates and each chocolates cost 3 rupees. So how will you do it in normal addition? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, so you are going to buy 5 chocolates and each chocolate cost is 3 rupees. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now you will do it in a normal addition. 3 plus 3 is 3 in your mind, 3 in your finger, 3 after, 4, 5 and 6. 6 plus 3 is 6 in your mind, 3 in your finger, 6 after, 7, 8 and 9. Then 9 in your mind, 3 in your finger, 9 after, 10, 11, 12. Then 12 in your mind, 3 in your finger, 12 after, 13, 14 and 15. So you will get 15 as a result of addition after adding 5 times. But in multiplication you can write this as 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So this is what makes us learn tables. Okay, if you learn table, addition will become more easier. Like I said, multiplication is repeated addition. Okay, so you are adding a same number more than once, twice. Okay, so for addition it is lengthy, but for multiplication it is easier. Okay, that is why we use multiplication. Now they have given us some example, and let's see what are the examples. First one, 3rd standard students prepared five types of flowers using colored papers. Among them, Pooja, Bishal, Bharat and Ramya exhibited the flower holding in their hands. What is the total number of flowers held in their hands? Okay, so there was students, they did 5 flowers using colored papers. Okay, so 4 students held it in their hands and they made 5 flowers, right? So in normal addition, what you will do? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, right? 5 flowers, 4 students. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So now 5 plus 5 is 5 in your mind, 5 in your finger, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, here you got 10, and 10 plus 5 is 10 in your mind, 5 in your finger, 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 15 in your mind, 5 in your finger, 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So what is your product? Result 20. In multiplication, how you can write this is, there are 4 5s, right? 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Okay, so today we are going to learn some tables. First one is one table. As you might have learned in your early classes about these tables, first 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So any number multiplied with 1 will give you the same number. For example, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 1 into 7 is equal to 7. 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 1 into 9 is equal to 9. 1 into 10 is equal to 10. As an example for this, let's say you have 5 boxes and you have 1 chocolate on each of the 5 boxes. Okay, so what you are going to do? You have 1 chocolate in each of the 5 boxes and you have 5 boxes. Okay, so totally how many chocolates will you be having? 5, right? In the same way this happens. So if you are multiplying 1 with 1, you will get 1. 1 with 2, you will get 2. 1 with 3, you will get 3. And 1 with 4, you will get 4. So repeat after me along with me. Okay, 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. 1 6s are 6. 1 7s are 7. 1 8s are 8. 1 9s are 9. 1 10s are 10. Okay, now we are moving on to second table. So 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. So now 2 table. Repeat after me. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. So here is your homework. You have to learn 1 table and 2 table. Okay, and write it down 2 times. Now we are going to solve some exercise problems. Okay, so exercise 5.1. First one, they have grouped some of the things and you have to add them and tell. Okay, for in the form of addition and multiplication. First, they have given you pictures, and then addition in the form of addition, in the form of multiplication. So first one, they have given you two twigs. Twigs means the edge of a branch or the edge of a leaves. Okay, branch of leaves. Now there are two twigs and each of them has 3 leaves. Okay, so first one, there are 3 leaves in the first one and another 3 leaves in the second one. So 3 plus 3. Now you add them. 3 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 3 after 4, 5 and 6. Now you can write them as, see, there is 1 3 here and 1 3 here. So there are 2 3s. So 2 3s are 6, as you learned in the second table. Now they have given you set of ice creams. Okay, first one, 2 ice creams in each of the boxes. Okay, look at your books and see, you can see there are 2 ice creams in each of the boxes. And how many boxes are there? 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? So there are 5 boxes and 2 ice creams in each of the box. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now 2 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 2 after 3 and 4. You got 4 here. Then 4 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 4 after 5, 6. Now 6 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 6 after 7 and 8. So now 8 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 8 after 9, 10. Now the result is 10. Now we can say how many times 2's are added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 2 is added. So 2 into 5 will give you 10. Now next you can see that there is ducks, right? There are 2 set of ducks and each set has 6 ducks, right? So in addition you can write 6 plus 6, right? Now 6 in your mind, 6 in your finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. In multiplication how you can write? There are 2 sixes. So 6 into 2. 2 6 are 12. Okay, for this you have to learn the tables. So for now you have to learn the first and second table to learn them properly and write them 2 times. Okay, the last one you do as your homework. See you in the next class. Bye.